Good morning. I'm Donnie Rodenheisler with Pyramid Roofing. We're here in Hampton, Virginia, on this beautiful sunny fall morning, getting ready to do a valley repair on this home behind me. We'll take you on back around the backyard and show you what we're getting into. Let's go. This is a common valley leak right here at the bottom of this valley. As you can see, it's done rotted this 2x6 rafter out. So what we're going to do today is we're going to pull this rafter out, put a new one in, put new plywood in. We're going to run a rubber leak barrier in this valley to avoid it from ever leaking again. Put all new shingles in. It's going to be like it never happened. Check back with you in a minute. Now that we got that out of the way, they're safe for the next rain. Should you ever find a leak in your ceiling, give us a call, Pyramid Roofing.